What do you see when you look at this? What do you see when you look at these two things that matter so much to me, that have been such a important part of my life? The Batman helmet, the motorcycle, Vietnam. You know what I see? I see a motorcycle getting ready to happen. Can you feel it? Take it in. That is adventure. It calls to you, you know? Adventure, it has a distinct sound. It's not a ringing in your ears. It's more like a melody of your favorite song. And right now mine's playing. Sapa is this way. We're gonna go that way and then we'll turn right in that general direction. Listen to that melody. Let's do it. And if by chance this is my final motorcycle ride, let it be known that I made my bed. I made my bed. Adios. Let's go ride.